the best security dog.
Huh?
You look so handsome. You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama? He's ignoring me because I took him to the groomer. He hates going to the groomer, but it's so hot, so he had to get shaved.
No, don't paw my computer.